This is the GroundLuxe fitted bed sheet here. This is the king size. This is the light gray color. You can see here it's got a really nice color to it. I believe it does come like a dark gray and a brown as well, but we went with the light gray here. These are the accessories that it comes with. This is to plug into the outlet to make sure it's grounded, and these are the cables right here. But I'm going to be installing this on this mattress here. You can see this is a very deep mattress. This is a Sleep Number mattress. It's about 13 inches, and then it's got this chili pad on top. So it's probably about 14 inches here. So 13 and a half to 14 inches. The sheet is fitted, it's set for 13-inch mattresses. So let's install it and see what it looks like. Okay, so I just got the sheet installed. It fit on the bed perfectly. Like I said, it was rated for 13-inch mattresses. This mattress is a little bit bigger than 13 inches. You could see here, just still has a little bit more room in here. It fits really nicely. But anyways, this is where it plugs in right here. The plug is right here. And I'm just running the cord right here to this outlet right here. You'd see just a very seamless installation. This cord is very long. You can run it to a much longer area if you needed to. And just is a really nice secure plug in there. So didn't get a chance to use this yet. Just got it installed here. But overall, looks like a very good product. This GroundLuxe has some really great reviews, and I'm very excited to give this sheet a shot. So if you're looking for a grounding sheet, very happy with this one so far. A nice packaging, nice product. Looks like it's going to fit the deep mattresses, like 13 plus inches, and just looks like a really nice sheet here.